Split AC 1.5 ton. Number 5. Samsung 1.5 ton 3-star inverter split AC. Approx price 33,990 rupees. Split AC with inverter compressor. 1.5 ton suitable for medium sized room. Energy rating 3 star. Annual energy consumption 1044.19 units per year. SR value 3.71. Copper condenser coil. Refrigerant gas R32. Warranty 1 year on product, 1 year on condenser, 10 years on compressor, 1 year on gas recharge, 1 year on PCB. Number 4. LG 1.5 ton 5-star Wi-Fi inverter Windows AC. Approx price 37,990 rupees. Windows AC with inverter compressor. 1.5 ton suitable for medium sized rooms. 111 to 150 square feet. Energy rating 5 star. Annual energy consumption 1106.26 unit. SR value 3.5. Refrigerant gas R32. Warranty 1 year. Number 3. Carrier 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC. Approx price 42,999 rupees. Split AC with FlexiCool inverter technology. 1.5 ton suitable for mid-sized rooms. 111 square foot to 150 square foot. Energy rating 5 star. Annual energy consumption 841.86 units. SR value 4.60. Copper condenser coil. Warranty 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Number 2. Panasonic 1.5 ton 5-star Wi-Fi twin cool inverter split air conditioner. Approx price 39,990 rupees. Wi-Fi split AC with twin cool inverter compressor. 1.5 ton suitable for medium sized rooms. 121 to 180 square foot. Operating voltage range 145 to 285 volts. 5 star. Annual power consumption 840.75 kilowatt. SR 4.7. Stabilizer free operation. Copper condenser coil with shield blue technology. Warranty 1 year comprehensive. 5 years on PCB. 10 years on compressor. Number 1. Sanyo 1.5 ton 5-star dual inverter wide split AC. Approx price 31,990 rupees. Split AC with dual inverter compressor. Capacity 1.5 ton suitable for medium sized rooms up to 180 square feet. Energy rating 5 star. Annual energy consumption 840.75 units. SR value 4.70. 100% copper condenser coil. Cooling capacity 5100 watt. Noise level 43 dB. Stabilizer free operation. Refrigerant gas R32. Warranty 1 year on product, 1 year on condenser, 5 years on compressor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.